Sa hanap bahay, taganto lang po ako sa Pagsibol. Kaya kung gusto mo mag-visit daily tripping and reservation, pwedeng-pwede din po. Pagsibol Village, Southwest Naik, Cavite, RFO. Filing agad sa Pag-ibig. Kung naghahanap ka ng RFO na mabilis malipatan, semi-complete na duplex house, malaking bulwagan ng living area, covered ang kitchen area, at may malaking full toilet and bath. Ayan po, pwedeng-pwede niyo po kaming i-visit daily. Provision for 2-car park, pwedeng gawing covered garage. Ayan po, may sobrang lote ka pa pati sa harapan. Ito po, may provision for 2 bedrooms. Imagine mo po, walang down payment, walang reservation, walang equity. Ganito kagandang marireceive mong bahay. Ang 10,000 na cash out mo for water Meralco pa yun. Naka-sliding windows na, may butas for aircon, painted walls, may space sa gitna bago yung kapitbahay. So, tahimik talaga dito. Ayan, naka-sliding windows, painted walls. Ang ceiling mo is with it insulator. Partitions, kisame tiles, yun na lang. Makakalipat ka na this year.